Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone number to the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu like this, where we can look for accommodations. From here, we have to tap on the profile menu, then on manage your account, then on personal details, and here if you scroll down a bit, under the contact details section, we find phone number, and here we can enter our phone number. And after we are done, we can just tap on save, and it's going to update the details. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.